Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect sunglasses for your significant other? Well, try these Dolce and Gabbana. They are beautiful. As you can see inside, you can see the signature, and on the other side, you can see all the other information that shows the true authenticity of these glasses. I love this style, and I love that they're so sturdy. They feel so good on. And let me show you what they look like outside in the sun. As you can see, the gradient tint is not too dark, but protects your eyes from the sun just perfectly. I love it. If you're looking for a very classy pair of sunglasses, you're going to love these. The arm rests so nicely over your ear. It's very comfortable and very stylish. I love them, and that's just my point of view.